Welcome back. In this full guide 2026, I'll show you how to share Tinkercad projects with other people. Whether you're working on a school assignment, collaborating with teammates, or simply want to let someone view or edit your design, Tinkercad makes sharing quick and easy. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to the Tinkercad website. Sign in to your account and open the project you want to share. Wait for the design workspace to load completely before continuing. Once your project is open, look for the **share* button near the top right corner of the screen and click on it. A sharing window will appear with several options depending on your project type. If you only want others to view your design, choose the option to create a view-only link. Anyone with this link can open and inspect your project, but they won't be able to make changes. If collaboration is available for your project, choose the option that allows others to edit or work together. Copy the generated link and send it through email, messaging apps, or any platform you prefer. Make sure you only share edit access with people you trust. Before sending the link, review the sharing settings to ensure they match your needs. If you no longer want people to access the project later, you can return to the Share menu and update or disable the shared link if that option is available. After the recipient opens the link, they can view or collaborate on the project based on the permissions you've selected. This makes it easy to work on designs together, receive feedback, or present your creations to others. And that's how to share Tinkercad projects. Thanks for watching this full guide 2026. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another Tinkercad tutorial. See you in the next video.